y'all, and welcome back to my channel. This is a highly requested video actually. It is my updated curly hair routine video. So I'm going to be talking about the products that I used, as well as like the technique I guess that I use to put my products in my hair. Anyways, if you guys are interested in all of that, please stay tuned because that's what's going to be popping, you know, in this video. So if you guys want to know how I got these gorgeous curls, you know, I'm sorry, I gotta look at myself in the viewfinder, you know what I'm saying? Then stay tuned. Anyways, I did not record this part, but while I was in the shower, I used this shampoo, which actually is the first time that I used it. I just bought it from Winners. It says that it's sulfate-free, gluten-free, and it's vegan. So that's the reason that I got it. It says for colored hair. That's another reason that I got it, because obviously my hair is colored, so yeah. So that's what I used to shampoo my hair. Before washing my hair, I actually had my hair in an oil treatment because, you know, it's damaged. Well, it's not damaged, sort of. I mean, it doesn't look damaged, but I mean, dye obviously damages your hair a little bit. So anyways, I'm being extra, you know, cautious with my hair. And then I used my favorite conditioner, which is the Organics Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. I love the smell of this. I love the feel of it. I just love it. Once I got out of the shower, to be honest with you guys, if you guys will follow me on Instagram, basically I posted this photo. And in this photo, I only used one product when I did my hair that time, and it was the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. This time, I did go to the beauty supply store and actually bought, usually like in the past I've used mousse as well as the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but I ran out of mousse, so I saw this one. It's the Shea Moisture Dragon's Blood and Coffee Cherry Volume Styling Foam. It says for flat thinning hair. I do have I do have thin hair. So I thought that this would work well with my hair, but you'll see in the video I actually tried using this and I don't like it. But anyways, I also used this, which is again like prior to the photo that I updated on my Instagram where I only used one product. I used to use the Curl Enhancing Line Mousse, then the smoothie, then this on the ends. And this is the Raw Shea Butter Extra Moisture Detangler with sea kelp and argan oil from the Shea Moisture line again. And that's how I used to do my hair. And so today I did it the same way I used to do my hair, which was mousse first, then the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, then the gel, or I feel like this is a gel. It's not really a gel, but it just holds your curls, if that makes sense. So I did that today in this video. After doing that, I let my hair air dry for a lot of hours. And that's when I came back to the camera, you know, and I used this oil in my hair. It is the Shea Butter Oil. I don't know what the brand is. Difeel? I don't know. My mom bought this a while ago. I actually saw these at the beauty supply store, so if you're interested in getting these, they have them there. I really like the smell of this. It makes your hair, you know, shiny and extra moisturized. Anyways, that's basically all I did. And then you guys obviously saw that I picked my hair, you know, to give it a little bit of extra volume. This is something that I always have to do. I feel like a lot of girls with curly hair have to do this, but if I'm gonna wear my hair down, this is what I really have to do often. Like I don't usually wear my hair down, but if I do, I'm bringing this everywhere with me. Because, you know, a girl's gotta, you know, pick at her hair. Anyways, you guys, that's basically it. That is my curly hair routine wash and go video. Please leave a comment down below or like the video, you know, give it a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying? Bye guys, thanks for watching.